What is graphene and why these are more focused on modern technology and why it will soon take over the world? To clear all these doubts, let's get started. Graphene is a one-atom thick lattice of carbon atoms. It is electrically and thermally conductive but also transparent. It is supercapacitive and many times stronger than steel, yet incredibly lightweight and flexible. It is a disruptive technology that could open up new market and even replace existing technologies or materials. It is when graphite is used both to improve an existing material and in a transformational capacity that its true potential can be realized. It is a miracle substance and the future of engineering technology which was discovered in 2004. It's the world's first two-dimensional material and is 1 million times smaller than the diameter of a single human hair. It has been theorized to help clear up nuclear waste easily and filter the salt from seawater. It could make ridiculous headphones that could be biocompatible. That means you can hook it right to your biological cells. It can help in creating flexible computers in future, unbreakable phone screens and space elevators as a reality. It can be used as sensors as a source of defense. For example, ultra-sensitive sensors made from graphene could detect minute, dangerous particles, helping to protect potentially dangerous environments. The extreme sensitivity could allow for early warnings detection system of soldiers in the field, potentially saving their human lives. In case of electronics, it has the potential to create the next generation of electronics currently limited to the science fiction. Faster transistors, semiconductors, bendable phones and other electronics. The University of Manchester had already created the world's smallest transistor using graphene. Here, the size of the transistor, how much it could be smaller, the better way the circuit is performed. In context of graphene filtration, graphene oxide membranes are capable of forming a perfect barrier when dealing with liquids and gases. They can effectively separate organic solvent from water and remove water from gas mixture to an exceptional level. They have even been proved to stop helium, the hardest gas to block. So we can think of this that if we use to clean the seawater, then there will be no any scarcity of water in the future. Similarly, we can talk in context of biomedical. Graphene can play a vital role as it has got high surface area which allows drugs to be attached to its surface and enhances targeted drug delivery and can even change the whole behavior of a cell. It can be used for improved brain penetration and externally for wound healing. It can be also used for cancer treatment to reduce the side effects that is associated with the current treatment. We know that graphene is also produced from graphite, that is 0.03 inches of graphite is equal to 3 million graphene layers. You could have thought that it will change the whole future and you could get amazed by this, but it is a sad truth that it is very difficult to make graphene in large amount as it is very expensive. But in 2010, scientists found a method to yield graphene in large amount but in low cost, that is by heating soybean in presence of nickel at about 800 degrees Celsius temperature. But it did not give much more graphene but obtained up to the size of a debit card or credit card. But in 2013 they made it by literally exploding acetylene and oxygen using a spark plug. They used acetylene as it provides the carbon for the graphene to create itself in the heat of explosion. But there is a problem. It did not come in a nice sheets rather than in a chunks. Not chunks but in a group of chunks. And the obtained graphene isn't of high quality. So according to MIT researchers, when turning the shape of graphene, it can create the loss of one important properties from it. So we can see that it can change in the whole future if graphene is used in a good manner. And imagine a fully charging smartphone in 5 seconds. That is the power of this graphene. I hope you enjoyed the video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.